Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to add and edit a bar chart in Excel. This is super useful for anyone creating reports or presentation in Excel. So let's dive right into it. But before we start, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you feel it helpful. Also, feel free to share this video with others who might need it. Alright, let's get started. By the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to add a bar chart, change the chart type, add or remove chart elements, change styles and colors, modify the data or range, move the chart to a new location or sheet, add filters to the chart. To begin with, you need to have the relevant data that you want to display in your chart. As you can see, I already have my data ready. First, I'll select the data range that I want to use. Then go to Insert tab. Here you'll see an option called Recommended Charts. Excel analyze your data, analyze your selected data and suggest the best chart types for your report. You can choose one of these recommended charts, or if you have a specific type in your mind, you can just select from the available chart categories. But for now, I am using recommended charts. As you can see, there are three types of charts provided by the Excel. I am using this custard column. I am selecting that and clicking on OK. And the chart is inserted in our Excel. You can also change the chart type. For example, I am going to use a column chart different from this. For that, I am going in the chart design tab, select change chart type and select the chart that you want to change. So I am selecting this bar chart and clicking on OK. As you can see, the chart has been changed. You'll notice three icons beside the chart. The first one with the plus icon is for adding or removing chart elements. For example, you can add the chart title and the axis title. For that, you can just click on the plus icon, select the chart title and the axis titles. If you want to change the location, like I want to change this chart title, you can select the right arrow and you can modify the location. But for now, I want to select only about chart. I'm selecting on that and I'm closing. So for the chart title, I want to use the SLS Bakery. You can just simply type SLS Bakery, or you can use the formula by going into Formula tab, clicking on equal to and select the cell that you want to show as your title and clicking on enter. As you can see, the chart title has already changed to SLS Bakery. If I modify this SLS Bakery to SLS Bakes, the title of the chart also changes. But for now, I am using Bakery. You can do the same for the axis titles by going into the formula type and clicking on equal to, selecting the cell and clicking enter. The second icon is this paintbrush icon. Here you can change the style and colors for your chart. Like you can show their data labels, or you can just change this type, or you can add the background color. If you want to modify the colors of this graph, you can select the color and select your required color. I want to select this blue color because it matches the theme of the company. The third icon is this filters icon. If you want to show any specific category, like I want to show only this choco chip cookie and blueberry muffins and croissants, you can just deselect all in the filters tab and you can select the required one and click on apply. As you can see, the chart has been changed to only 3 of them. But my chart needs to contain all the categories. So I am just selecting all and clicking on apply. Now I just want to know the first 3 categories and their costs. For that, you can just select here and edit the range. This is for temporary purpose. And now I want to just view the last 3. Again you can select and drag it till the last 3. As you can see, the chart will change with the data you have selected. If you want to move your chart to a new sheet, you can just go into the chart design and click on move chart. And you can select new sheet and click on OK. As you can see, the chart has been moved to new sheet. If you want to move this to the existing sheet, again you can select the move chart, object in and click on OK. You can also modify the specific color, like I want to only change this color. For that, you can select only that column and in the format you can select the shape fill and select your color. You can also add the legend by clicking on the plus icon, selecting the legend. If you drag and extend this chart based on the length and breadth, the chart will automatically expand or compress. Okay, now I have setted all the colors and next time I am using this chart, I want to have this type of format. For that, you can just left click the chart and you can select save as template and click on save. Now I'll just select this range again and insert the column, and now this time I'll move it to a new sheet. As you can see, the formats doesn't change. Now I want to add the format given in the first chart. For that, you can just click on change chart type and in the templates you can select your chart. As you can see, the chart type has already changed to the previous one. You can also modify your chart by clicking on quick layout. This adds or removes some of the chart elements. Most of them have their relevant type in these quick layouts. Or else you can just again go into plus icon, add or remove the chart elements. You can also select the data. Means if you want to show something and if you want to remove something, you can just select or unselect the data you want to show or remove. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you know how to add and edit or customize the bar chart in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.